Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with VMware Cloud Director for virtual server provisioning. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the VMware Cloud Director login page. Locate the Create Account or Register option on the page. Click on the option to initiate the registration process. Fill in your personal information in the required fields. Enter your first name, last name, and email address. Choose a strong password that meets the security criteria specified. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Select your organization or tenant from the drop-down menu. Read through the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box indicating that you agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Register or Submit button to proceed. Wait for a confirmation email from VMware Cloud Director. Open your email inbox and locate the confirmation email. Click on the verification link provided in the email. This action will redirect you to a confirmation page. Log in using your registered email and password. Once logged in, you will see the VMware Cloud Director dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Virtual Servers section. Click on the option for provisioning a new virtual server. Fill in the necessary specifications for your virtual server. Select the desired configuration, including CPU, RAM, and storage options. Review your selections to ensure they meet your requirements. Click on the Provision button to initiate the virtual server creation. Wait for the process to complete, which may take a few moments. Once completed, you will receive a notification confirming your virtual server is ready. Your virtual server can now be found in the My Resources section of the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the management options available for your new virtual server. You are now ready to start using your VMware Cloud Director for virtual server provisioning. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.